Hello, my friends. How are you? I hope you are very good. Today, I am going to discuss stop wasting time. I saw by myself many people they are just wasting time without recognize using social media. We exactly don't know how much time we spend to use social media, and that is the reason I have decided that I am going to talk about this topic again because I don't want people they are just wasting time. I want you to be productive because it is possible to you to use your time wisely to take advantage from it, and that's why I am going to talk about this topic. But before we start the video, I just want to say to each of one, please watch the video till the end, because most of the time you don't watch it till the end, and that's why you could not understand exactly how to be productive. So watch the video till the end, and if you new to watch my video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. So let's start. Today I am going to discuss how to stop wasting time. I saw that many people without recognize they are just spending their time to doing something which is not valuable, like using social media hour and hour, or spending time with their friends watching movie. Do you think, bro, it is going to help you to be productive? It is going to help you to achieve the things what you want out of your life? No, you know that. You know the answer. It is not going to help you. And sometimes we come out lots of good idea, but at the end of the day we forgot to do the things. The best way to use your time, I want to recommend to each of one, make plan, and most important, write down the plan, write down your thought, and also write down the time when you are going to execute that plan, because that is very important to know when you are going to do the things what's important to you. Most of the time we have plan, we know exactly what we need to do, but we don't know when to start to do the things what's important. And that is the reason I want to say to each of one, write down the time when you are going to execute your plan. That is very important. Do it, bro. Don't be procrastinate to write down your plan. Don't be procrastinate to think something what's important to you. Make habit to do the things what's very important to you. Figure it out where you use your majority of time to do something which is not valuable. Bro, take it seriously. Time is something we cannot buy, we cannot store. If you want to be a productive person, then make plan and go through that plan. Write down your thoughts every single day. Make it into your habits. That is very important. But most of the people, they don't do it at all. They procrastinate to do something what's important to them. I want to say to each of one, bro, use your time. Use your time to doing something which is valuable to you, what you love to do. Do something what you want out of your life. I know you want to become something, but you are doing something what you hate. It is because you don't spend your time to do something what's important to you, what is going to help you to improve your skills. That's why most of the time and most of the people, they do something what they hate, and they don't have the opportunity to do something what they want out of their life. You have to choose the right things, and it is up to you what you are going to choose. It is up to you how you are going to use your time, what you exactly need to do for that. It is possible to you to be productive. It is possible to be you to follow your passion. It is possible to you to use your time to doing something which is valuable, which is going to help you to achieve the things what you truly want out of your life. So don't wait for anything. Don't be procrastinate, and don't spend your majority of time to doing something which is not valuable. Try to recognize that where you spend your majority of time to doing something which is not valuable at all. Figure it out, bro. That is very important. You need to know where you waste your time, and also you need to know how can you invest your time, how can you do something what's important to you to bring success, how can you make advantage from your time. You can do it. Make plan, write down that plan, write down that thought which is going to help you to improve your skills. I want to say to every each of one again and again, use your time to improve your skills. Don't waste it, bro. Time is very important. Time is important than money. If you just only have a goal to make money, to use your time, then you cannot do the things what you love to do. You have to make it your priority to do something what you love. Don't do anything what you hate. Most of the time, also me, sometimes I also do the things what I hate, and I don't focus the things what I love to do. It's happening with lots of people. Lots of people, they do something what they hate, and they don't have the opportunity to do the things what they love to do. That is the reason you have to spend your time to doing something which is valuable, which is going to help you to bring success in life, which is going to help you to bring talent, to bring skills to yourself. Do it. It is possible to you to use your time wisely. You can make it happen. You have the power, you have the right to do anything what you love. Don't follow other people's passion. Follow your passion, follow yourself, listen your heart. It is possible to you to become successful in life. So now you know how can you use your time wisely to take advantage from it, and also you know where you spend your majority of time to doing something which is not valuable. Make habit to do the things what's important to you and maintain that habit. Keep this in mind. Always keep this in mind. So thank you so much guys for watching me. I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, because I make this kind of video, and today's for that I will be back very soon. Bye guys.